In this guide, I'm going to show you what you could do if your cellular isn't working after updating to iOS 26. First things first, don't panic. I'm going to walk you through each series of steps that can get your phone back online in just a few minutes. But before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, I recommend trying a simple airplane mode reset. To do this, just pull down from the top right, and it's going to open up a control center that looks like this. Simply go ahead and turn on airplane mode and then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off again. You can also do this through settings, specifically the airplane mode settings, but this is the best way to do it quickly. But if that didn't fix it, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings nonetheless, and this time scroll down and go into general and then go into about. Wait a few seconds. If there is a carrier update, you should see it pop up. Go ahead and select update, and if nothing does show up, move on to the next step. Now this next step completely depends on if your phone does have a physical SIM card or not. If you're using a physical SIM card, just use the SIM ejector tool or a paperclip or even just a pen to remove that SIM tray, which is going to be on the left side of your phone. Take out the SIM, check it, and then reinsert it. If you do have a dual SIM phone, try removing the SIM into another slot. This can sometimes solve that issue, but if you're using an eSIM, once again, open up settings. This time, go into cellular, and it's going to take you to a section that looks like this. Look for the section that says turn on this line and simply go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on, because this is going to reset that eSIM connection. That being said, if it's still not working, go to settings and then go into general and find the section to transfer or reset your iPhone. Select it, hit reset, and then specifically hit reset network settings. Don't worry, this is not going to delete any data, but it is going to reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. That being said though, if that still did not work for you, try doing a force restart on your phone by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button, and then holding the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo does appear. This isn't going to delete your data, it just refreshes the system. And if all of those fixes did not work for you, which some of them should, the issue might actually be on your carrier's end. So reach out to your service provider, because sometimes they need to reset things or push out an update for your account specifically. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.